1990 Cadillac Brougham. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and bows, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in good shape. Frame and floor pans are solid. Top is in excellent condition. Interior is absolutely beautiful, guys. She has all the options: power windows, power locks, power brakes, power steering, AC blow code. And she does have the lamp monitors for your turn signals and high beams. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. And check this out. The trunk is self-latching. I love that feature. Interior is in great shape. She has all the options: power windows, power locks, power seats, digital gauge cluster. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in great condition also. Package tray nice and clean. Headliner good. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, cruise control, AC blow cold. She has all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Mileage reads a little over 88,000. This is what we call running like a sewing machine, guys. All the contact information in the description below. Go ahead and visit rollermuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos. Financing available. She is beautiful. Y'all have a good one.